Rising tensions in the Middle East have sparked worries about global energy supplies and trade disruptions. For India, which relies heavily on imports for oil, gas, and fertilizers, this situation poses a potential risk. Questions have emerged about how the country would meet its energy and fertilizer needs if the crisis worsens. Now, in the latest update, US issued a temporary 30-day waiver allowing Indian refiners to purchase Russian oil. But on the other hand, the Indian government has accelerated measures to secure alternative supplies, strengthen strategic reserves, and sign new trade agreements to ensure the country's energy and fertilizer needs remain uninterrupted. India has been actively reaching out to other energy supplies. Qatar continues to be a key partner, providing 60 million metric standard cubic meters per day of gas. In addition, Australia and Canada have offered to supply gas as India seeks alternatives amid the West Asian conflict. Currently, India imports 195 million metric standard cubic meters of gas, making diversification crucial. Government sources confirm that India's energy situation is monitored twice daily, stocks are being replenished regularly, and there is no global shortage of LPG, LNG, or crude oil. India is also engaged in discussions with major oil producers, traders, the International Energy Agency, and the OPEC. The country is also negotiating with the US to obtain insurance for shipping energy supplies. Recent contracts with the UAE and the US further strengthen India's energy basket, ensuring supply stability in certain times. Notably, India currently has 8 weeks of petroleum product stocks, including strategic reserves. About 40% of crude oil imports bypass the Strait of Hormuz, reducing regional disruption risks. Crude oil stocks cover roughly 25 days, while petrol and diesel stocks also cover about 25 days. Government sources confirm that there are no plans to ration fuel and reserves are sufficient to meet current demand. Priority sectors like power generation and fertilizers may receive diverted supplies if required, with GAIL ready to declare force majeure if needed. Therefore, the government continues to monitor the situation closely. Additionally, steps will be taken if necessary to maintain uninterrupted energy availability. With these measures, India remains well positioned to handle potential supply disruptions arising from escalating West Asian tensions. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. And for more updates, stay tuned with India TV News.